Animals are more than just companions. They are beings who share our world, deserving of love and care. Yet millions suffer from cruelty and neglect every day. Today, we're here to make a change. Our mission? Compassion over cruelty. Let's end animal abuse.
Did you know that every year over 10 million animals alone face abuse? They represent life full of pain and fear. Behind each case is a story we cannot afford to ignore. A small act of kindness goes a long way. Street dogs and cats often struggle to find enough food to survive. If you can, share leftovers or buy them some food. It could be the difference between hunger and health for these innocent lives.
Let me share a story about Max, a dog found chained outside with no food or water. For weeks, he endured harsh weather completely alone. Then there's Bella, who was rescued from an illegal dogfighting ring. Her life was a constant battle for survival. And let's not forget the countless farm animals like pigs and chickens cramped into unsanitary spaces. Their suffering is hidden, but it's very real.
Your pet deserves freedom and happiness. Tying them up for long periods causes stress, anxiety, and physical harm. Let them move freely in safe space where they can play, explore, and live with dignity. Choose compassion, not cruelty. Animals feel pain and fear, just like humans.
Animals are not products. They are living beings who deserve to thrive in their natural environments, not suffer for fashion.
Every year, millions of animals trapped, caged, and killed for their fur and skin. From mink coats to leather handbags, these items often come with a hidden cost, immense suffering and cruelty.
But there is a hope. Today we have cruelty-free and sustainable alternatives that look and feel just as good, without harming a single life. By choosing these options, you are making a stand for compassion and kindness.
Fashion doesn't need to hurt. Say no to products made from animal skin. Together, we can make ethical choices and protect those who cannot protect themselves.
But there is a hope. Together we can make a difference. Start by supporting your local shelters, adopting animals in need, reporting any suspected abuse, and choosing cruelty-free products. Every action counts.
Compassion over cruelty. It's more than a slogan. It's a movement. It's a choice we make every day to create a kinder world. Join us and be the voice for the voiceless. Together we can end animal abuse.